Hello friend, today I will discuss about the what is clinical research. First, clinical research is the comprehensive study of the safety and effectiveness of the most promising adverse in the patient care. Clinical research is the different than laboratory research. It involves people who voluntarily to help us better understand medicines better understand medicine and health. Lab research generally does not involve people, although it helps us learn which new ideas may help people. Every drug, device, tool, diagnosis test, techniques, and technology used in a medicine today was once test is voluntary who took part in the clinical research study at Johns Hopkins Medicine. We believe that clinical research is a key to important care of the people in our community and around the world. Once you understand more about clinical research, you may appreciate why it's important to participate for ourselves and the community. What are the types of the clinical research? There are the two main kinds of the clinical research. First, observational study, and second is clinical trials. Observational studies are the studies that aim to identify and analyze partners in medical data or biological sample such as tissues or blood provided by the study participant. And second type is clinical trial which also involve investigational study, test and safety and efficacy of the medical investigations such as medication, procedure and tools in living people. Clinical research studies need people clinical research study need people of every age, health health status, gender and cultural background to participate. This will increase the chances the scientist and clinical will develop treatment and procedure that are likely to be the safe and work well in all people. Potentially voluntary peoples are carefully scanned to sure that they meet all of the requirements for any study before they begin. Most of the reason people are not included in the study is because of the concentration about safety. Both healthy people and those with diagnosis medical condition can take part in the clinical research. Participation is always completely voluntary and participant can leave study at any time of any reason. The only way medical advertisement can be made is if people voluntary to participate in clinical research. The research participant is just as necessary as the researcher in this partnership to advise healthcare. Types of the research study with the two main kinds of the clinical research. There are many studies, types of the studies. They vary basis on the study's goal, participants and other factor. First, biospecimen study. Second, healthy voluntary study. Surveillance. Clinical trial study the safety and efficacy of the investigational on procedure on people health. In intervention may include medication, radiation, foods and or behavior such as experience. Usually the treatment in the clinical trial are studied in the laboratory and sometime in animal before they are studied in human. The goal of the clinical trial is to find a new and better way of the preventing, diagnosis and treating disease. They are used to test clinical the clinical trial involve 5 phases: phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. Phase 1 is the medication safety and what is the right dose. Phase 2 is dose the new medication work and what are the side effects. Phase 3, the new medication more effective than existing treatment. And phase 4, new medication effective and safe over the long time. These all over are the phases of the clinical trials. Thank you.